Hello everybody, welcome to Gloria's Crafts. My name's Gloria and today we are going to be making an angel tree topper. Isn't he or she lovely? Okay, so for this beautiful, elegant tree topper, you're going to need 12 8x10 pieces of deco mesh. So 12, here's deco mesh. You're going to need the long kind. So you're going to need 12 pieces. If you're doing two-toned, you'll need 6 of this color and another color, 10x10, and then 6 of the other color, 10x10. So I already cut my deco mesh, but I want you to know it can be all one color, it can be 2 colors, it could be as many colors as you want, but you need 12 pieces of 10x10 deco mesh. Then you're going to take the ribbon of your choice. This is a little wide. You could have it less than this, but I'm using what's on hand. You need 3 pieces of 3.5 inches. Now, if this is too big, since it's kind of see-through, I folded it in half. So you're going to need 3 pieces of whatever ribbon you want, cut 3.5 inches. Then, excuse my dog for barking, then you're going to need, I have sheer ribbon. It'd probably be better if you had not sheer ribbon, but I'm working with sheer ribbon. You're going to need smaller ribbon and tie it into a bow, which this is what it looks like when you're done tying it in a bow. Okay? So you're going to take your 3 pieces of ribbon, you're going to dovetail one end, just the one end, and you're going to lay them over each other like I have here. Then you're going to take a pipe cleaner, doesn't matter what color, you're going to cover it up anyway. So I use green. You're going to need 3 pieces laying side by side by side, dovetail the ends, and cinch them with a pipe cleaner. And you're going to need your little bow. You're going to need an ornament, any size you like. I got the 12 pack, I believe, from the Dollar Tree. This is the pack I got. I'm sorry, there's 15 pieces in here of the Christmas ornaments. Doesn't really say what size it is, but I'm going to say it's about 1 inch wide, this. So any color you're choosing, you're going to take the top off, and then you're going to have this little nub. You can use scissors or whatever you like, but you need to get rid of this nub. Just like that. Okay? Then you're going to need a bell. Now I've heard that Dollar Tree sells these bells 45 in a pack. I did not find 45 in a pack. I found these bells at the Dollar Tree. I'm going to use the silver one. So what you're going to do is, whoops, you're going to take it out, take the top off, and you want to get rid of the ribbon or string. You want to get rid of this. So you need 1 bell in the color of your choosing. You don't want the real big ones that they have out, so you want the smaller bell. Okay? So you're going to need 2 items that are heavy in weight to help you hold your deco mesh. I have a couple of these clips. I usually have more. Right now I have no idea where I left them. So I went with a hair accessory to help me. You're also going to need pipe cleaner in any color that you'd like. What I did was I took a white pipe cleaner one of the white pipe cleaners and a silver pipe cleaner. You can do it all one color. It could just be one color, but I wanted the two colors. And you twist it all the way down. Once you have it twisted, you're going to take it and put it on your ball to see if it fits. And then you're going to twist it and cut the end. You can keep the end on and then hot glue it down to help her head stay in place, but I like to get rid of the extra. I actually made 2 of these out of 2 pipe cleaners that were wrapped together. So we're going to get started. I have all my deco mesh cut. I have 2 colors. I have red and I have white. So I'm going to start with the wings first. So you're going to need 6 of the one color that you're doing, unless you're doing it all one color. So it's 10 by 10. I cut it. Then what I want you to do is pull it. Take one end from the one side and one end from the other side and pull it taut. That's going to help you get your pointed wings. Then I need help, and nobody in my house wants to help me, so I have my salt shaker holding one end. Then I have my beef cubes, my chicken cubes, and holding the other end. So what you're going to do is, now that it's there, you're going to take these 2 pieces right here. You're going to fold it into the middle. You're going to fold into the middle again, then you're going to scrunch it. So see how it has a point on both ends? That's why you pull the mesh. So then I'm going to take one of these, because I don't have, use whatever's on hand to hold this in this position. Okay? Again, you take your 10 by 10 mesh, you take a corner from the right and a corner from the left, and you pull. That's what gives you the point on your wings. So then I hold it down with my 2 items, and then I take where it's folded, where it is in the middle. See how it curls in the middle? You're going to fold it in half. Then you're going to fold it in half again, and then you're going to scrunch it. So there is your points. Okay? I'm going to continue to do this, so I will explain it numerous times as I do it. So here's 2 of my wings. Okay? So you're going to take your deco mesh. 10 by 10 deco mesh. You need 12 pieces total. If you're doing a 2-tone, you need 6 and 6. So you're going to take 1 corner from the right hand side and 1 corner from the left hand side, and you are going to pull it. Then you take your heavy item to hold down where you pulled the item together. Okay? Then you take your deco mesh and you fold it in the middle. Then you fold it again in the middle, and then you scrunch it together. And as you can see, there's points on the end, which is what you want. So then I'm going to put that right there inside my little clip. Excuse me. So, again, you have your 10 by 10 mesh. You take your right corner, one of your right corners, one of your left corners, and you pull. Then you take your heavy item, you put one on one side, one on the other side that you've pulled. Then you fold in the middle, fold again, and scrunch. And there is your wings. Then I'm going to take another clip and hold that. Again, 10 by 10 mesh. I keep saying 10 by 10 just in case you forget what I had said earlier. You take one end of the right, one end of the left, and you pull. See how it gets taut? Fold, fold again, and squunch. So there's your wings, pointy. Last part of the wings before we start the bottom half of our angel. Take one corner of the right side, one corner of the left side, opposite ends, and pull. Put something heavy on it to hold it so that you can fold it. Fold it in the middle, fold it in the middle again, and squunch. And then you have your points. So now that I have his or her wings done, I'm going to set these two aside. I am doing red for the base. Again, 10 by 10 mesh. Take 1 point on the right, 1 point on the left, and pull. You want it taut. You're going to take your heavy item, put them on there. You're going to fold, fold again, and squunch. Here it is, in red. I'm going to use my hair accessory and put it in there. Okay? If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to assist and answer any questions you ask. Again, right side, left side, pull. Heavy item to hold it down while you fold it. Other heavy item, fold in the middle, squunch. There's your wings. Or dress. I don't know if it's called a dress or not. 10 by 10. Deco mesh. One side, pull. Heavy item, fold it in the middle, squunch. Here's your other one. Deco mesh, 10 by 10, right side, left side, pull, down, fold in the middle, squunch. Putting inside the hair clip. Maybe I should have gotten a different hair clip because red and red. Hope you can see that. Then take one side, pull. Heavy item to hold it down so that you can fold it. Another one. Fold into the middle, squunch. So here's what they look like so far. I have one more to do. So you're going to take one side, pull, heavy item, fold in the middle, and squunch. So here is all the bottom. I'm going to take a white pipe cleaner. You're going to need a total of, I think, yes, 3. And I'm doing white so that it doesn't stand out on the white part of the wings. So I have my 3 pipe cleaners. So I'm going to start with the bottom part. and I'm going to lay these out flat. It's kind of difficult. It'd be good if you had a friend to help you, because it gets a little crazy. So here's what it looks like right now. Then you're going to get your other colors, lay them down, and then you're going to get a pipe cleaner, and you are going to tie the pipe cleaner around. And then you can mess with your wings and the dress, because you don't want them overlapping. So do it tight as you can. And now here's where you can fluff them out or straighten them out. You don't want them on top of each other at all. So I'm starting on one side, trying to push them down, trying to separate everyone. The one good thing when you're doing the two-toned, it does help figure out the top and the bottom when you're trying to get it all separated. Otherwise you have to count out 6. So here's what it looks like so far. I would flatten down your pipe cleaner. Okay? So then you're going to want to gather up the bottom part of your angel, which this is what I mean by it's easier. So all the red is at the bottom. You're going to take a pipe cleaner, and about maybe the size of your thumb down, you are going to take the pipe cleaner and wrap it around. Right here. Do it tight. Now you do not want them, your deco mesh, laying on top of each other. You kind of want to smooth it out. Now if you have any wispies you want to cut, you can wait till the end or do it as you see it. And here's her wings on the top. Okay? You see that? Now you're going to take your pipe cleaner for the wings and your pipe cleaner for the body, and you're going to wrap them together to help it so that the wings stay tight. And then you're going to cut it. See how it's secure right now? I got to pull this down a little bit, because you want to make sure you see the body. Okay, so you're going to twist those together as best you can. Then you're going to take your third pipe cleaner, and what I do is I take it through the middle and the top, so that I make it completely secure. This is what's going to hold your angel to your tree. So you don't want to mix it up with the other ones, but you want to give that a couple twists and put that to the side, so that he or she is even. You are going to glue this piece right here. What happens is this ribbon will block your other pipe cleaner. That's why I said it'd be better if you had ribbon that was a darker color or solid. So there's the ribbon. Then you're going to take your bow that you made, and you are going to secure your bow right above where you put your ribbon. So you put a little bit of glue on the back. You take your ribbon and you put it right on the center of the ribbons so that it hides the green that you use. Now you're going to take your bell and you're going to glue that right on top of the bell, right here. So you put the bell right here. Now you can't see any of the green that was there. Then you're going to take your ball that you have. You're going to put glue on it, a generous amount over the hole and everything. And you are going to put the head right on top. Then you're going to take your halo and you're going to put a tiny dab in the front, tiny dab, I don't know if you can see that, in the front, right there. And then you're going to put another dab in the back, right here. So you're going to put a dab in the back to hold your halo on. Try to make it as straight as possible. And this is what she looks like. Here are 3 of the angels I have made, as they are tree toppers. I think they're gorgeous, stunning. I learned with the deco mesh that you can't have it in a ball. If you're not using it, you have to lay it flat so that you don't have it all wispy like this. But I think they're gorgeous. Tell me what you think in the comments. Thank you very much for watching. Have a blessed day.